Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve indices. Okay, in the scope of subject DM015, okay, there are two kinds of solving indices that you will encounter. Okay, the first one is whereby you have a number, okay, equal a number. Okay, this number, if we have a number equal a number, what we do is we make base the same. Okay, we make base the same. Okay, and the second one is the form is something like a number plus a number equal a number. Okay, in this case, as you can see, the difference is that for the first type, we only have one number equal another number. Okay, but the second one, we have one number plus another number. So on one side, we have two terms equal one term on the right hand side. This kind we cannot solve like the first one. We cannot make the base the same. Even if we make the same also, we cannot solve it. So the only way we can solve it is we must let a certain base to the certain power, such as a to the power of x equals another variable. Okay, y perhaps. Yeah. And then what we do afterwards, we solve it as a quadratic. Okay, and then afterwards we switch it back. Okay, we substitute it back. Okay, so maybe we do for the first one, this one, number equal number. So let's proceed. So for the first type, number equal number. Okay, I spell it lah. Okay, like that. Okay, number equal number. Okay, let's say we have something like 2x minus 1 equals 2 to the power of 4 plus 2x. Okay, now as we can see here, one number equal another number. Okay, and also so we can use the first type lah. This is the first type lah, number equal number. So what we can do afterwards, we can compare the power. Why we can right away compare the power? Because the base are the same, which is the base of 2. So we compare the power only on the left hand side. X minus 1 equals to the power on the right hand side 4 plus 2x. Okay, now and then we solve lah. Okay, so x minus 2x equals 4 plus 1. Okay, this one minus x, 5. X is minus 5. Okay, now maybe we have another example lah. Okay, over here lah, over this side should be enough lah. Okay, let's say we have 9 2 minus x equals 81. Okay, 81 x plus 2. Yeah. Okay, now as we can see here, the base are not the same. Okay, but we still we have a number equal a number lah. One whole number on the left hand side and then one whole number on the right hand side, even though it's in index form, but we can manage lah afterwards. Still the problem, we have this one on the left hand side, the base is 9. This one, the base is 81. So we have to make the base equal lah. We have to make the base to we must reduce 9 and 81 to a smaller number to a certain power. Okay, so as we know, 9 is 3 squared, and then put bracket, and then just copy paste the power over here, 2 minus x equals 81 is 3 over 3, 3 over 3. 3 to the power of 4. Okay, and then put bracket, don't forget, x plus 2. Okay, and then what should we do? Okay, before we even can compare, we have to do something over here. Okay, so according to the law of indices, we can multiply. But be careful when you multiply 2 by 2 minus x. Okay, it's supposed to be 3 to the power of 4 minus 2x, not 4 minus x. Okay, this is a common mistake made by student. They only multiply, they only multiply this part only. Okay, which is wrong, yeah? You have to multiply 2 by this whole lot, 2 minus x, okay? Because there are two terms over there. Okay, so 2x equals, this one also, on the right hand side, don't forget, 4 multiply x, okay, so 4x, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 8. Then you see, the base are the same, we can compare. So, compare, alamak, tak muat. Okay, I drag it down below lah. Okay, so 4 minus 2x equals 4x plus 8. Okay, and then minus 2x minus 4x, 8 minus 4 minus 6x, 4, 8 into 4 lah. Okay, therefore, x equals minus 2 over 3. Okay, so this is the first part. So this is the second example for the first type lah, number equal number. Now, let's move on to the second one. Okay, number plus number equal number. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, we must have two terms on the left hand side and then one term on the right hand side. Okay, what should we do with this one? We have to let. Okay, one example, okay, maybe I find the example from my collection of questions somewhere else, so I'm pausing the video now. Okay, thank you for waiting. So these are the question. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, so let's get started. So for the first one, okay, now we have lah, number plus number equals 0. Same thing also lah, equal a number, because 9 over here bring here also equal a number. Okay, so for this kind of problem, we have to let a number to the power of x equals b. Okay, now as you can see here, this the smallest base that we can think of from this equation is base 3, which is over here. Okay, so we can decide to let 3 to the power of x equals b. But the problem is, over here is it's 9. So what should we do? We have to turn that 9 into 3 power something. Okay, so let's change that. So 9 over here is 3 squared. Okay, power x minus 10 multiply, or maybe sometimes you can use a dot. Okay, 3x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, now as I said just now, we want 3x. Here 3x nice already. This one not yet 3x, 3 squared. So what we do, we swap the place of 2 and x. Okay, 2 we bring outside, x we bring inside. So 3x inside, bracket, square, minus 10. This one put bracket lah. 3 power x plus 9 equals 0. Nice already. This one 3 power x, this one also 3 power x. So we let 3 power x equals b. Okay, so what happens is b squared minus 10b plus 9 equals 0. Okay, And then we solve them lah. Either but you use the EQN, okay, EQN function in your calculator, or just like what I can do, I can use my mental calculation to solve it. So this one is b squared, b multiply b, 9, we can have 9 multiplied by 1 to have 9, and then minus 10, we minus 9 minus 1. Okay, so that's it lah. Can solve already. So b equals 9, b equals 1. Now, at this part, we get the value of b. We not yet solve it. So because what we want is the value of x over here. And we know 3 power of x equals b, b equals 9. So we can substitute it back lah. 3 power of x equals 9, 3 power of x equals 1. Okay, now for this one is the first case, right? Like the first one. So 9 can turn into 3 squared, and then the 3 power of x. Therefore, over here x is 2. While this one, okay, 3 power of x equals 1, because 1 is 3 power 0. 3 power x, therefore x equals 0. So for the first example, x equals 2 and x equals 0. Okay, so this is the first example. Let's have a look at the second example over here. Okay, now we have 4x minus 2x minus 32. Okay, as I said just now, we want the smallest base that we can think and we can see over here is 2 power x. The problem is we get 4x over here. And we know 4 is 2 squared. We change lah. Minus 2x minus 32. Oh yes. Now, this one we switch places lah. Okay. 2 power of x power 2 minus 2x minus 32 equals 0. Okay. Now we can substitute lah. Okay. And let 2 power of x equals, maybe this time I use another letter lah. Maybe I use y. Okay. Now, so y squared minus y minus 32. Okay. Now 32 can tak apalah. For this one 132 216 3 apa ada ke? 16 is what? 16 is 4. Oh, can. Cannot lah. 4. 4, 8. Boleh ke solve ni? Macam tak boleh je. Maybe I copy the question wrongly. Let's see. 2 times ke? Alamak. Sorry. I made a mistake. For this question, sorry I correct the question for a while and then we can continue. Okay, I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. Copy the question from internet. Okay, now we do all over again lah. Yeah, but still we have we already just the problem. So the problem with this one and this one. Okay. This one because we have plus 2. Okay, so we have to split them. This one is 2 squared bracket x minus 2 power x. Okay, plus 2 means we add the power. We add the power means we multiply the base. The base is 2. So we multiply base 2 power 2. Minus 32 equals 0. This way we can see here 2x. Alamak, this one not yet. Okay, one more step lah. We switch places. So 2 power of x squared minus this one 4 lah. Okay, 4 multiply 2x. I put bracket lah, easy. Like that. 32 equals 0. Okay, now this one can gantilah. Okay, so maybe red lah. Okay, let 2 power of x equals y. Okay, so I have over there y squared. This one minus 4y minus 32. Okay, so this one we can solve by using calculator EQN or whatever tools that you can do. Maybe Symbol Lab in the internet. You open your browser, you try Symbol Lab calculator. Calculator. You can try that one lah in your browser. You can install it as an app in your phone. So 32 is 84. So 8 and 4, 32. Oh, sorry. Y squared, 8, 4, 32. We want minus 4 means that minus 4 plus, minus 8 plus 4. Okay. So I get y equals 8. Y equals minus 4. Now, don't forget to substitute back. 2x equals y. Okay, so 2 power of x equals 8. While 2 power of x equals minus 4. Okay. Now, for this one, 2x, 8. 8 is just 2 cube. 2x. Therefore, x equals 3. While for this one, this is a little bit interesting because there is no positive number, positive base to any power that can produce a negative number. So in this case, x has no solution. No solution. Okay? No solution for x. So in this question, the answer is only x equals 3. Okay? I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.